Have you ever found yourself paralyzed by the market? Staring at a chart, fingers hovering over the buy button, wondering if now is the perfect time, or if you're about to buy at the absolute peak, only to watch your investment plummet. It's a feeling of FOMO and FUD rolled into one, a constant battle between wanting to get in on the action and the very real fear of making a mistake. You see a coin you love, a project you believe in, and you know you want to own some, but that nagging voice in the back of your head whispers, what if it goes down tomorrow? This is a common struggle for both new and experienced investors. The hunt for the perfect entry point is a fool's errand. It's a game of chance that most of us are destined to lose. The truth is, no one can consistently time the market. Not the seasoned pros on Wall Street, and certainly not us. So, if we can't time the market, what's the next best thing? What if there was a strategy that removed emotion from the equation, that allowed you to consistently invest in assets you believe in, regardless of market volatility? What if there was a way to turn that fear of buying at the top into a systematic, disciplined approach that actually works in your favor over the long run? Today, we're diving deep into a simple yet powerful investment strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. We're going to break down exactly what it is, why it's so effective, and most importantly, how you can set it up on the Newton Exchange to put your investments on autopilot. Whether you're a crypto veteran or just starting your journey, this is a game changer that can dramatically improve your long-term returns and, perhaps even more importantly, give you peace of mind. Let's start with the basics. What is dollar cost averaging? The concept is beautifully simple. Instead of investing a large lump sum of money all at once, you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. For example, instead of investing $1,200 on one specific day, you might invest $100 every month for a year. Or $25 every week. Or whatever schedule and amount works for you. The key is consistency and a fixed dollar amount. Now, why does this work? Let's imagine a scenario. You want to buy some Bitcoin, and you have $1,200 to invest. You decide to go all in on a Monday, when the price is $30,000 per BTC. You get 0.04 BTC for your money. Unfortunately, the market tanks a few days later, and Bitcoin drops to $20,000. You're now sitting on a paper loss of $400. That feels terrible. Now let's look at the DCA approach. You decide to invest $100 a month for 12 months. Month 1, Bitcoin is at $30,000. You buy 0.0033 BTC. Month 2, the price has dropped to $25,000. You buy 0.004 BTC. Month 3, the price is now $20,000. You buy 0.005 BTC. Month 4, Bitcoin goes back up to $22,000. You buy 0.0045 BTC. And so on. As you can see, when the price of Bitcoin is high, your fixed $100 buys fewer coins. But when the price drops, your same $100 buys more coins. Over time, this averages out your cost per coin, ensuring that you're not buying at the absolute peak and that you're accumulating more of the asset when it's on sale. This systematic approach effectively hedges against market volatility and removes the need to constantly monitor charts and try to predict the future. It's a long-term strategy built on the principle that time in the market beats timing the market. Beyond the mathematical benefits, DCA offers a significant psychological advantage. It takes the emotion out of investing. You're not making panic decisions based on fear or greed. You've set a plan, and you're sticking to it. This discipline is incredibly valuable, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. It prevents you from getting caught up in the hype and buying at the top, and it empowers you to buy more when others are selling in a panic. It transforms market downturns from a source of stress into an opportunity to accumulate more of your favorite assets at a discount. So, how do we put this powerful strategy into practice, specifically on the Newton Exchange? This is where it gets really simple. Newton has made setting up a recurring investment super easy and intuitive. First, you'll need a Newton account and some funds in your balance. If you haven't signed up yet, the link is in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Recurring Buys section. It's usually found in the main menu or on your dashboard. Once there, you'll be greeted with a straightforward interface. The first thing you'll need to do is select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Newton offers a wide range of popular coins, so you can DCA into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or any other asset you believe in. For this example, let's select Bitcoin. Next, you'll specify the amount you want to invest. This is the fixed dollar amount we talked about earlier. Remember, this should be an amount you're comfortable with, something that won't strain your finances, even if the market takes a temporary dip. Let's say we're going with $50. The third step is to choose the frequency of your investment. This is where you set the schedule. Newton gives you a few great options: daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The best frequency for you depends on your personal preference and cash flow. A weekly or bi-weekly schedule is often a great balance, as it allows you to consistently buy in without waiting too long between purchases. Let's select weekly for this example. Finally, you will review the details of your recurring buy. It will show you the asset, the amount, the frequency, and the estimated date of your first purchase. You'll also need to select the funding source. This can be your Newton balance or your linked bank account. If you choose your bank account, Newton will automatically pull the funds on your chosen schedule. This is the ultimate set it and forget it feature. Once you've reviewed everything and are happy with the plan, you just hit confirm, and your dollar cost averaging strategy is live. Newton's platform makes this process incredibly user-friendly. There are no complex formulas or advanced settings. It's a simple, four-step process that anyone can follow. And the beauty of it is that you can set up multiple recurring buys for different assets. Maybe you want to DCA $25 a week into Ethereum and another $25 a week into Bitcoin. You can do that. Maybe you want to add a smaller amount to a newer, more speculative asset you believe in. You can do that too. This flexibility allows you to build a diversified portfolio automatically without constantly needing to log in and make manual trades. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.